Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change headlights on your Ford F-350. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Make sure you have your new headlight bulbs ready. For many F-350 models, these are H13 or 9008 bulbs. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves to keep yourself protected throughout the job. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your truck's hood to give yourself ample working space. Next, you'll need to locate and remove the screws holding the headlight in place. Typically, there are 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. After removing the screws, gently release any retaining clips or tabs. With everything unfastened, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from the vehicle. With the headlight assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base to avoid touching the glass. Insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into position. Almost done, reconnect the electrical harness to your newly installed headlight bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reinstall all the screws and clips you removed earlier to secure it firmly. Finally, turn on your new headlights to test them. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the aiming screws, ensuring proper light distribution for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.